my name is Brittany Jepson, and I am the founder of The House That Lars Built. This year, I'm anticipating a Christmas that nods to the past and celebrates the new. I'm taking a traditional decor idea and revving it up with a new and exciting color palette. Think pinks and teals along with the classic red and greens. I made my own iconic Christmas village on my Cricut machine, but this Christmas village isn't just for me. They're also gift packages that you can make and give to a neighbor or friend. Because if there's anything I've learned this last year, it's that we all need each other. And these gift boxes are the perfect way to share the love. For this project, you will need your Cricut machine. You'll also need a standard grip 12 by 24 mat. I've pulled up my design on Cricut Design Space, and we made it super easy. Select the right scoring tool. I have my scoring stylus, and I'm gonna put it in clamp A. It just clips right on in, and then I close the clamp. And now it's blinking, so I can start. Okay, we are all cut out, and now I just need to take it out of the Cricut. Gonna take the paper off, and it's gonna leave my really adorable house. Now I'm gonna punch out those windows that maybe didn't get cut all the way. They come off super easily. And now I have my house that's ready to be folded. So because the lines are already scored, I like to make sure it folds from a few sides. Now we are ready to glue it together. So you'll bring it together, all the sides together, and then I'm gonna glue the other side. Do you see how easy this is? This is the fun part. And put a hole punch. Now what I'm gonna do is create the inside contrasting paper for the windows. I'm just gonna roughly take stock of where the windows are and cut out square. And now I'm going to glue the edges of it where it won't be visible. And I'm going to pat it down on the inside. Are you seeing this? They're so cute. So now I bring the tops together and I will put my ribbon through. And I'm gonna do just a little bit of tie. Oh, that's my cute voice when something's so cute. You see that? And it's like a little weather vane up top. So you can add a little name, Dear Brittany, if you wanna send me a gift. I won't object. This is my adorably charming Christmas village made by Brittany.